just got off. Go on. No.
Okay, I know how to go to Embryon.
What is it?
Nope.
Why did the big flashlight?
Nope.
Can I come in now?
No, get in.
I don't really like it out here.
Teleport him!
Help me in! Teleport me! Teleport me! Teleport me!
Teleport him! Teleport him! Teleport him! Teleport him! Teleport him! Teleport him! Oh! No, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh no! We need to... Are you okay? Are you okay?
Fucking terrifying!
Doesn't it sound like Screaming the robot though? That's really